Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. As you can tell by the title, I am finally going to be showing you my bathroom organization. This video took a while to put together, but we'll get to that in a second. If you are new here though, feel free to stick around and subscribe. I upload beauty videos once a week. I'm counting a bathroom organization video as a beauty video. I have beauty products in my bathroom. We're gonna classify this as a beauty video. I mean, either way, I usually upload once a week. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And as I was saying, it took a while to put this together based on the fact that I filmed the before footage literally in September. And here we are in January filming the after footage. But I did eventually film the after footage, and that's all that matters. So if you want to see how I organized my bathroom, make sure you keep on watching. Rather than show you the footage of me like in the process of trying to organize my bathroom storage, my beauty products and stuff like that, I think I'm just going to show you a before and after. I'm sorry if I'm holding my phone kind of shaky. But anyway, I'll probably just show you a before and after. I just think that that'll be easier for me to show you. So here is what my bathroom looks like standing from the door, obviously, because you can see through the mirror. But this was just hung, this little cabinet. It's from Target above my toilet. I love this. There's nothing in here right now, but there's just these two little shelves. I need to kind of wipe that off right here, but I already know, like, I think I want to put, like, I have like these glass containers. I have one for cotton rounds and then one for Q-tips, and then maybe like something else decorative kind of will go there. And then there's additional storage in these two. So I love this. I love it so much. And then I do have a little cabinet over here, and this was bought online, but it like matches pretty well. Like the knobs are different if you look at them up close, but they are still silver. But as you can see, it's white, just like, you know, this. I think that they go pretty good together. And I do like how this looks, how this is organized, just makes me so happy. I have I'll show you like the after as well, if like any of this changes, it might, especially since up here I have my hair care right now, so that might change. But so right now we have masks on. Well, let me start at the top. We have like hair care stuff. I just put my deodorant up here just so the second shelf is more cohesive. And then I have like, these are self-tanning drops. This is a perfume. This is a couple other skincare. So this is like probably the least organized of the shelf, but it's still organized. The next shelf I have face masks, and I do have more masks below my sink. And then down here is more of my like everyday kind of skincare. So I don't use every single one of these products every day, but this is more my daily. Like, I love skincare, and just the fact that I have this organized like this makes me so happy. So this is the before as well. And then, so that's the organized part of it. But then we get to, let me show you these two cabinets below my sink. So here's my sink, here's the two cabinets, and here is what we are working with currently. We have, you know, cleaning wipes. We have extra toilet paper. Like, that's not going to be pretty, but like it's required. You know, I've got the toilet paper bowl cleaner. And I have like just some washcloths, micellar water, and then like my toothbrush just stays under here. And I mean, I'm kind of used to putting that under there, but I might be able to put that up in the cabinet up above, and then I have like some Epsom salt. So that is what the most of like what I'm going to be organizing, and that is it for the before. Okay, it's literally been about 4 months since I filmed the before, but here we are in January 2021, and I'm going to show you the after. Mostly because it took me the longest time to get this. Like, this was in my cart in Amazon or like in a wish list for a while, and I just wanted something to organize my hair supplies, which I will show you in a second. And because for the longest time my hair stuff was mostly in a duffel bag, and that's just how it was organized. So let me show you an overview of what it looks like underneath my sink. Here's above my sink, And then here is below. I do have more washcloths, but they're just, you know, they've just already been used. So here's an overview. I don't have a whole lot of storage underneath my sink because, I mean, this is, you know, like, I guess, well, it's a bathroom attached to a bedroom, but it's not like the master or anything like that. So that is why I wanted to get this installed, which I will also go through that for you, and my medicine cabinet, which I have more skincare in. So I do love that I have those two things installed because otherwise the only storage that I have is down below my sink. So I guess we will start from the left to the right because the left doesn't have like the container. So in the very back I have some Epsom salt for a bath, or not obviously more than one bath. And I know it's kind of dark back there, but, and then I have 2 extra hand towels that match this. That towel right there is also gray. I got that in a set Black Friday and I love it. It's super soft and I love how neutral. I feel like I really just like neutral colors, especially gray. So that's kind of, I guess, the aesthetic of my bathroom. So I did get 2 extra hand towels as well that are the same. My washcloths don't match, but I do have 2 gray washcloths. I've just already used them. Eventually, I think I would like them to match, but this is just how it is right now. And then I have some cleaning supplies behind that. Oh, I also have like a bubble bath that's from Dr. Teal's. So I have Windex, paper towels, toilet bowl cleaner, Clorox wipes, extra toilet paper. Why did I blank on that word? You know, the essentials in the bathroom, and you know, you want to be able to keep your bathroom clean. And then this little guy, I just kept on looking for an alternative, something cheaper, because I think it was around $22 or $23. And I just didn't like paying that much for what it is, but I do like that it's literally like drawers. So it's you can take it out completely. So in the very bottom, I have my, I can take that out and I'll show you. I have my straightener, I have my curling wand, and then I have my hair dryer. I've had that hair dryer for several years. I feel like I should probably get a new one eventually, but here we are. And I just have the cords wrapped up. I like the hair dryer because it's like a retractable one. That's also been why I have wanted to, I don't know, I like that it's retractable, especially since they're in this container now, and they fit pretty nicely. So that is in the bottom container. And then on the side, I just have like some cotton rounds and just like a couple other things, like not much. And then in the top one, I have more hair things. So I have my hairsprays, and I do have a couple that aren't from Monet, but you know, mostly I use Monet on my hair. I do have a couple of videos on that. So this is just a hairspray. This is a hairspray. This is dry shampoo. I recently got this brush from TJ Maxx because I had the same brush for, I feel like, over 10 years, like no exaggeration. So I got a new brush, yay. And then I have like a spoolie brush in here. I have a Tresemme hairspray. I like having this mirror for being able to like see the back of my hair whenever I'm curling it. I have a spare Rejuva beads, and I have a couple clips because I clip up my hair whenever I am straightening it usually, or curling it as well. So that's what's in the top drawer, and that is pretty much what is underneath my sink. An overview of what the inside of my medicine cabinet looks like, and the products will be different. I mean, not all of them, but some of them, because I did film them before so long ago. Like, I definitely did not have this cleanser. Then I have used this cleanser before, but this is just a new one. I really like the Philosophy Purity Made Simple. I have a couple toners. I just got this one in my January BoxyCharm. Then I have this little sample of a priming moisturizer. I have my sunscreen. This is a mattifying hydrator from Dr. Brandt. Here's a couple moisturizers I have. This is a product from Tula. And then I just got this Dr. Brandt. What is this? The Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I just got that in my January BoxyCharm. So in the bottom shelf, my overall vision, I guess, was my everyday products, or my mostly everyday products. And then the second shelf here was more treatments. So to me, it makes sense. Like, you know, like I wash my face. I don't tone every single time I wash my face, but like, and to me, they're in order, you know, wash my face, tone, then moisturize. Although it's usually tone, treat, moisturize, but still, to me, it makes sense. So I have some masks up here as well. I got this as a Christmas present and I really like it. And then I have my like serum kind of things over here as well. So that's kind of my thing. I like having a drying lotion for drying out my acne. I have this serum that's almost gone, which is sad because I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. And then the top, I have my, I guess it's like a little bit more random, but I don't know. I have, this is a moisturizer and I know it doesn't belong, but it's up there for now. And then I have my hair products for after I wash my hair. So I have a Knock Detangler, my my Thermal Protect Styling Shield. This is a color locking spray, and then my Rejuva beads is behind it because it doesn't stand up. The shelf is too tall. Or no, this is too tall for the shelf. Then I have a couple perfumes. I have one here, then one here and here. I guess I could put my perfumes together. I guess that would make sense, but I liked how these looked together before this was here because I liked like the white, I guess, kind of aesthetic. And then I have a little sample of a perfume there as well. So yeah, this is like my tanning drops from whenever I'm tanning. I'm almost out of this lotion, the lotion that I mix in with it, and then I do have some other lotions, as you will see in my cabinet above my toilet that I will show you in a second. But this is the overview of my medicine cabinet. I love that I have a medicine cabinet in my bathroom. This is one of my favorite things because it has my skincare or most of my skincare, and I love skincare. And then I also do have a little facial razor right here as well. Whenever you open it up, this is what it looks like. And it recently got a lot fuller, I know, but I mean, I feel like you should utilize your storage space, you know? Kind of makes sense to me. So the bottom shelf, I have Band-Aids, and I want to get like a little basket or a little container, maybe possibly to put this, because this just isn't super organized and it does bother me a little bit, but not like too much. I have my floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, spare razor heads back there, and here is sheet masks. I have this dry brush. This is my mat that I use whenever I clean my makeup brushes. Then up here I have some sheet masks that I need to use, and this is a Lush bag, and it has like bath bomb type products. I think I might have one Lush thing in there, but that's just where I'm storing it, at least for now. And then I have two Saint Tropez Gradual Tan Classic. One is for light to medium, and then one is medium to dark. Then behind there, I have a lotion that I recently got from Bath & Body Works. These are the little makeup erasers that a lot of the times I like using this to remove my makeup, and then I go in with a cleanser afterwards. I really like these guys. I got these on it wasn't specifically Black Friday, but it was around that time of the year. So I got a set of 7 of these for $10. Behind that I have some eye masks, and then I guess, yeah, I have like I have a couple of containers. So I have eye masks, and then I also have like pore strips, and whenever I use them up, I will put the container in my empties bin, so that's why I still have the container. I do have micellar water. I don't use this as much anymore, but I do use it especially sometimes to, like, whenever I'm doing my makeup. So I have I have a little spray bottle of micellar water in my desk where I have my makeup. So if I need it to like take off some foundation, like if I'm mixing foundation on the back of my hand or something like that, that's in there. But I don't use micellar water as much for removing makeup, but I do some, I guess. I have my deodorant, and then I have a couple of sunscreens back there, and then I use baby shampoo for washing my makeup brushes. So that is the little cabinet. I don't know, I really like how I utilized this space by, you know, having additional storage put in, because I don't have a whole lot of storage in the bathroom already. So I do love how it turned out. And I love my bathroom, and I like how it all turned out. I almost forgot to mention, but this wasn't here in September either, I don't think, but I got this at a thrift store, and just inside is my hair stuff. So I have these little scrunchies, and then this one is really full because they're like the decorative scrunchies, or whatever you want to call them. I like that I have a spot to put my hair, like my hair ties and stuff like that as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. I would really, really appreciate it. Or if you want to, I think you'll also like this video, make sure you click right here. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.